Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to enable iComfort on this device. So let's start by opening settings on your device and let's scroll down and find section HONOR iComfort display. So of course you want to go to iComfort section and you can enable it by using those two options. You can schedule it or you can simply enable all day. But if you select scheduled, you'll need to set your start time and end time. And as well you can adjust filter level by using this slider. Okay, let's go back, and the most importantly that you have to go to dimming mode and let's switch to this comfort. That is very important. So yeah, that is basically it, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.